Call Mantra is an IVR and Robo Calling device. By simply connecting it to a mobile phone, you can make 800 to 1000 automated voice calls in 8 hours, through which you can deliver important information to your customers. Along with this, you also get unlimited SMS and your own IVR setup. By IVR setup, I mean that just like when you call any call center and it asks you to press a number from 0 to 9 and the call is forwarded based on the number you press, that feature is also provided within this device. Along with this, you will also be able to see the complete call reporting, such as the call duration, which calls were made, and who spoke on each call. All this information will be available on your dashboard. With this device, we also install software for you. By using this software, you can also send unlimited WhatsApp messages to your customers. So, you will be able to send your brochures, flyers, advertisements, all your photos, videos, and audio to your customers on WhatsApp with just one click. You get all these features with the Call Mantra device, and if you want to order this device, contact the number given below. So now that you have ordered the device from us, let's understand how to set up this device. Let's see what all items you receive when you get this device. You will be provided with this box. When you open this box, you will find a device inside. This is a Call Mantra device. Along with this Call Mantra device, you will also get a power adapter, which is used to power the device. In addition, there is this cable which will help you connect your device to the computer. Then there is this telephone wire which will help connect your device to a landline phone, and you also get this antenna. This antenna will connect to your device so that your device can make calls automatically. I already had this mobile SIM. This mobile SIM is from Vodafone. It is also suggested that you use only Vodafone or Airtel SIMs that are at least 5 to 6 months old. Our suggestion is also not to use Jio or any other telecom provider's SIM in this device. So now let's talk about this device. When you open this device, it looks something like this. Along with this, you can see on its right hand side that there is a SIM symbol here. You need to insert the SIM right where this SIM symbol is located. As you can see, the cut side goes inwards, so in the same orientation, I will insert the SIM into it, and when I press it, you'll hear a click sound, which means the SIM is locked in place. After that, I have an antenna here which I will connect to this device. I will attach this antenna to the back end of the device, and now the antenna is attached here. After that, I have this cable. I will connect the B part of this cable to the back of the device, and this part I will connect to my laptop. So I have connected the Call Mantra device with a blue cable, and along with that,